Nay Cavite. Away they go. Speed Maker 9 Dragon from the outside. Moving up is Blowing Hot Escapo in the middle. And alongside is entry number 6. And that is Preciosa. The Speed Maker by some 2 lengths followed by Escapo. And on the outside is the outstanding favorite 9 Dragon. Blowing Hot down on the inside and running in fifth by about 8 or 9 lengths. Preciosa rushing up his promise. Spellbinder and Govini is running at the tail of the field inside the last 600. Speed Maker. And here comes 9 Dragon on the outside. Escapo and Blowing Hot by Darrell as they raise the last 500. The lead is taken over now by the outstanding favorite, and this one is 9 Dragon as they raise the final corner. Number 5, 9 Dragon by about 2 lengths. Escapo down on the inside is Blowing Hot. Speed Maker is dropping back in fourth and nearing the finish line. 9 Dragon increasing its marker to about 3 lengths. Escapo in second. And finally, number 5, 9 Dragon. Escapo, Blowing Hot. Speed Maker close for 5th and 6th.